Welcome to Recreation USA. Let's take a quick look at the pre-loved 2024 Grand Design Momentum. G-Class 415G. 14 feet separate garage, fuel station, ramp patio, dual entry, fireplace, triple AC. Why Recreation USA is the #1 authority. The 2024 Grand Design Momentum. G-Class 415G is the ultimate luxury toy hauler built for serious enthusiasts who refuse to compromise on comfort. Featuring a massive 14-foot separate garage for your off-road vehicles and a luxurious living space complete with a fireplace and triple theater seating slides, this rig is designed for the long haul. As the #1 independent dealer in the Southeast, we believe in radical honesty. You get our lowest price up front with absolutely no hidden fees in the back end. Make this beauty yours today and give us a call at 8437561072.